Here we have a new set of steel straws that I just ordered through eBay. A couple of them are bent at the top, so you don't have to angle the glass. You can keep the glass on the table and have this go into it, which you'll see later on in the video. Now the reason I got these is because I was tired of getting plastic straws to throw away. You know, there's like a plastic ocean out there, mate. So why not use steel? Now I've got a few assortments. I've got one fat one that you see there. Here's Fatty Batty. This is a big bugger. I like that. You can drink your milkshake there real quick. And then you've got two thin ones, straight, and two angled ones right here, see? And two of these brushes for cleaning the straws. These are going to last forever, mate. I'm still thinking about getting the silicone ones. Let's go and wash them and give them a little test in a new milkshake. Nice little cleaner. Clean up the straw. All nice and washed out. Another quick rinse. Then we'll make a milkshake and test them out. One egg, some bananas, one juice of grapefruit. So far, so good. Half a lemon. That's good. Frozen strawberries. Teaspoon organic honey. This will be available soon on Facebook and eBay. It's very good. It's got spirulina, chlorella, turmeric, ginger. It's got a few things in it. I'll give you the complete list later on, but I'm going to put about a teaspoon, level teaspoon of this in the milkshake as well. I'm just doing all this to show you how the straw fares with or how the milkshake fares with the new straw. Put that in. Lovely. So you know, if I'm doing anything chef-like, I have to wear the hat and the apron. Alright? Straw. Milkshake. Okay, thicker, juicy, juicy. Come on, mate. Drink, 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 drink. Remember, I washed this already. Cold steel. It's the truth, baby. Now we'll get back to reviewing it and what I think of it. So as you saw, it worked. It's very, very handy because I don't have to waste time buying any more straws now. And they send you quite a few and a couple of brushes to wash them. Very easy to replace. And what did it cost for a few pieces of steel? I think it was about £3. I'm going to put the price up on the screen right now. I'm happy. 5 stars, mate. Only problem is probably the usual reason people get marked down is not because they got bad customer service. It's because it takes so bloody long to get it. Now, why register if you're not in England and pretend to be English? Just say it comes from China, 8 to 10 days. Because I ordered this on the 21st. I think it was the 21st. 31st now. They turned up today. A little wait, but they still get 5 stars because I'm not rating them for delivery. I'm rating them for the product. Thumbs up, mate. Thanks for watching. One thing. The first thing I did notice about this straw is that because you're used to plastic, your brain's telling you that it's just another straw you can chew down, man. Remember it's metal, because as soon as your front teeth touch it, you're reminded, oh yeah, it's metal. You don't want to wear away your teeth. So just be careful about that. Sucky sucky, no bitey bitey. You saw me make this, right? Delicious. Nutri Ninja. Those of you who follow me, you know, if you've watched previous videos, that I've done the, was that Nutri Ninja? The Magic Bullet. I'm going to do a review about that because initially, thumbs up. But after some time, mate, the jar's broken. This Nutri Ninja, been using it for so long, jar's still intact. I'm going to love you and leave you. I'm going to eat now. I got a little bit of this left. I'm very pleased with the straw. As I was saying about the curved one, look, if I want to lean forward and drink, oi, that's magic. If I want to lean forward and drink while the straw is still pointing toward me, I go, With the straight one, you got angle, and if it's wet, you risk getting that wetness on your shirt. But while it's up like this, the wetness stays on the lip. No leakage, no spillage. Great. Right, I'm going to eat a hearty meal. Tomatoes, coleslaw, and 2 lamb patties. Anything else? Oh yeah, beans. Oh mate. Fart central.
If you like these videos and you'd like to see more of this type of content on this channel, subscribe. To support the efforts financially, because these videos do take work, talent, money, and equipment, consider supporting the products for sale on my eBay store. eBay link is on your screen now and in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much for joining me. Holla back.